Hello and welcome back to Awkward Vlogs. Today we're on a nature hike in the Great Smoky Mountains. Malia, what trail are we on? What is this called?
Sugarlands Valley.
Sugarlands Valley. It is a paved path. It's got a lot of nice little areas, a bench you can sit on, and then nature. You can just hear water running. It's not from somewhere, I don't know where. The beautiful, beautiful trails, isn't it, guys?
We have
beautiful nature.
The valley. The valley is number
there
one.
There I am, right there. Right there. Can you see me? Look closer. Right there. There I am. Right there.
Right there.
There's you.
Right here. You're right here.
We are here. You are right there watching this video. Alright. Alex is being carried like a koala. These nicely paved paths make it easier to walk on, don't they? And the road is right there. Right there.
We're still not allowed to, remember we're still not allowed to...
Land of abundance. Pause that if you want to read it. Right there. Let's go. Yeah, something's living down in that, probably. Like a nice little home. Like I said, there's little benches everywhere. And this trail winds in and out of trees. It's beautiful. Lots of cut down trees, I assume, growing over the path, and ones that just naturally fell down they've cut into smaller pieces. It's a unique trail filled with logs. Lots of natural places for animals to build their homes. And the highway. Or road anyway, not highway. Oh, there's some water down there. I hope you can hear that whooshing, rushing sound of water. It's absolutely one of the coolest sounds in nature there is.
He got pulled under and drowned because he couldn't swim really well. And it was strong. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to perform the walk across the log challenge. Very cool. Yeah.
There's a small hazard. Is there a snake?
I can't promise it's not, but... What do you think? that what all these rocks are from?
Must be.
Oh, it's bad.
What? The rock wall continues, Daddy. Look, it's the continuing of the rock wall.
Yeah, there's rock walls. I don't know what they're for, but pretty cool. So what do you think of this trail, Malia?
I like it.
Pretty cool.
Except for the bugs.
Yeah, the bugs are bad.
No,
There's no snakes, buddy.
I'm not going.
There's no snakes.
Like a fire.
This was in somebody's house at some point. This is apparently the only thing that's left of their
You guys
house.
stand by it, we'll get a picture of you.
And here's another chimney.
Oh, I never noticed that one. Or maybe we did and we just didn't stop.
Well, this takes us back to the beginning, the entrance. It's not a very long walk. What would you say? How long was that?
Oh, there's that.
Maybe about 5 to 10 minute walk. It's nothing, but filled with some nature aspects. Thanks for watching. Little Dad will do ya. Vlog over.